Vigilance to probe the chats and call details of Shivashankar and Swapna, and also to probe the Vadakancheri Life Mission scam. The news in detail. The Enforcement Directorate had served notice for CM Ravindran, Additional Private Secretary to Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, to appear for interrogation on December 10th. Another notice has also been issued to Ravindran by ED seeking property details of Ravindran and his wife. The property details have been requested from the registrars of Thiruvananthapuram, Kozhikode and Kannur districts. Meanwhile, Customs is interrogating UAE Consulate's former gunman Jay Ghosh and the driver Siddiq. Jay Ghosh was questioned previously by the Customs, and officials said that he had no connection with the gold smuggling case. Meanwhile, the NIA court has granted permission to hand over vigilance the WhatsApp chat of Shivashankar, Swapna Suresh and chartered accountant Venugopal, including the phone call details. This is in connection with the Vadakancheri Life Mission scam. The vigilance will receive the details within 1 week from CDAC. The vigilance has also started probing about the appointment of Swapna Suresh under the IT Kerala mission. Earlier, Ravindran skipped the first interrogation after testing COVID-19 positive. Even after receiving the second notice from ED, he failed to appear for the interrogation as he was hospitalized for post-COVID treatment. The ED had conducted raids in the Urangal Labour Society in Vadagara and 3 other shops in Vadagara. The ED is investigating CM Ravindran's involvement in the organization and suspecting Binami assets of Ravindran. Meanwhile, Customs have found out that Swapna Suresh and Sarit have smuggled rupees 100 crore abroad as reverse hawala. Swapna and Sarit have given information about more people involved in the gold smuggling to Customs through their secret statements. Customs will make Swapna and Sarit as approvers in the gold smuggling case. Now, Customs is going to interrogate the Unitact owner Santosh Eapen and Arun Balachandran. Arun Balachandran was the IT fellow of Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. The additional Chief Judicial Magistrate has said the statements given by Swapna Suresh and Sarit PS, accused in the Kerala gold smuggling scandal, revealed the involvement of big sharks who operated the smuggling of foreign currencies and gold using diplomatic baggage. This was stated in the order on Tuesday granting custody of former Principal Secretary M. Shivashankar to the Customs for 7 more days till December 7th as part of the probe in the gold smuggling case. Customs indicated that there would be more arrests in the coming days. Meanwhile, the court posted the matter of the bail petition submitted by M. Shivashankar in the money laundering case in connection with the gold smuggling case registered by the Customs Department to December 7th. News Desk, Karma News.